Hi again, another video with VoiceAIWrapper. And in this video, we'll show you how a voice AI agency can create client portals in multiple languages using VoiceAIWrapper. For those of you who are watching this for the first time, VoiceAIWrapper is a white label platform for agencies. You can use VoiceAIWrapper to create client portals on your own domain. You can onboard your clients, you can add multiple billing plans, mark up whatever prices your voice AI provider is charging you, and we integrate with a bunch of them, including ElevenLabs, Agent Platform, Retell, Vapi, etc. And we also give you built-in automations which take care of both incoming as well as outgoing calls, along with analytics that can connect to a CRM system or your N8N workflow or Make.com and so on. So the topic today is how do you create client portals for clients who are non-English speaking. I'm talking about an example like this. Let's say I have a Spanish clientele. How can I switch between different languages? In this example, between Spanish and English, or how do I give them an option to use other languages that we support? Currently, VoiceAIWrapper supports client portal in Austrian, Dutch, French, German, Italian, Portuguese, Russian, and Spanish, and we are adding more languages as I speak. So the first step would be, once you've got your VoiceAIWrapper account set up, you would head over to Client Portal. Inside Client Portal, under Portal Configuration, you have a localization option. This is where you can add the languages that you want to create the client portals for. You can add multiple languages, and based on the number of languages that you include in your client portal, your clients will see a drop-down to switch languages when they log into your client portal. By default, English is included and it's a required language. And once you've added your supported languages for your client portal, you can also create custom pages in different languages, right? So for example, I've created an About Us page and I can include Spanish in my About Us section, and I can add a Spanish navigation menu and icon, and that will show up when my user switches over to the Spanish language. That will show up in Spanish, along with other components that come with VoiceAIWrapper. So that's it. If you have more questions about how our product works, please feel free to visit voiceaiwrapper.com, or you can message us on our chat. This is available both inside our trial account as well as on our website. Thank you, and meet you in the next video.